Yeah. This whole thing here, man, I'm talking about. Yeah. Yep. That's him. That is him. I'm telling you now. That's that motherfucker right there. Famo. I was bored. I wasn't doing nothing bored, man. Cut the top off this motherfucker, man. Cause I had to make sure motherfucker with that bullshit got them done. Now, everything. It's finna go. All that shit finna go right in there. Right there. Just give me a minute. Everything's a goddamn process. Yeah. Oh yeah. And this is my 84 Regal clone Grand National. His name Frank. Frankenstein. That's his guy. That's this guy's name right here. That's that boy name. His name is Frankenstein. We'll be kicking it with Frank a little bit. Is he? Frankenstein. Yeah. Yep. Real. This motherfucker be in your face in a minute. Fuck what you think and what you thought. Help me spend some money and I consider your motherfucking opinion. Other than that, I don't care. It's my shit. Pay for this motherfucker. Every piece of the son, bitch. Give a fuck about a motherfucker feeling opinion, fam. Why would we care about a motherfucker opinion, man? Fuck a motherfucker opinion. Yeah.